Hey, I'm Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and I want to do a quick video to remind you that everything you're seeing in this video is our charcoal. It's all 60-inch rolls. We're selling it for half price. We're paying shipping. We're gonna cut it for you for free. This film's gonna be gone before the summer. I'm trying to get this section of my warehouse back. This film's not paying rent. It's time to go. So you better get it quick. This is the last bit of it. When it's gone, it's gone. Great product, nothing wrong with it. We've just discontinued the color. That's it. Charcoal, beautiful color, matches really well with everything. We've had this color for well over a decade. Jump in and get it, it's ready to go. Thanks.